Hello friends, Cami is with you, and I earned $604 in 5 minutes. Why? What? It's impossible? What if I can convince you of that? Yes, you heard everything correctly. In this video, in 5 minutes, I will show you how to earn $604 with only $90 in your pocket. If you are looking for free information, bonuses and signals for binary options trading, then go to my free Telegram channel via the link in the description. Go soon. An easy and simple strategy. That's what helped me earn $604 in 5 minutes. Today I will tell you about this strategy. The essence lies in the key indicator, the Schaff Trend Cycle. If the indicator line rises above the value of 25 and rapidly stretches upwards, then this is our signal to increase. If the line moves down and passes the value of 25, then we open a deal to decrease. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes, and then turn on the indicator, Schaff Trend Cycle. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. We set the CAD-CHF currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. And now, let's move on to transactions. I'm opening the first trade for an increase in the amount of $90. As I see a general upward trend and strong points of support on the chart. Great! The first transaction is completed and the balance is $172. It's time for the second deal. We'll have it in the amount of $172. I also open a deal for an increase, because there are no adjustments and there is a strong bullish candle. In the world of trading, where every second counts, choosing a reliable broker becomes a key moment of success. Pocket Option stands out from others with its transparency and transaction speed, giving traders the opportunity to achieve significant results. Join my Telegram channel to get exclusive access to bonuses and start trading. Your path to financial independence begins here. Yes, the second deal is over and the balance is $331. Let's move on. Okay friends, this is our last deal for today. We'll have it for $300. Analyzing the chart and opening a deal for an increase for 1 minute. Since the green candle is long, there are no adjustments, there are support points on the chart, and these are our signals for an increase. Oh my god, it's simply impossible. All 3 transactions in a row were completed successfully. My balance is much as $604. Friends, you saw everything for yourself, right? Surely you want to do the same? Then subscribe to my channel, like it, and wait for new video strategies for your profits. So, bye bye.